when you're opening it for the first time, you will be seeing only this three area only. Okay, this is the console part. Okay, so the selected area is known as the console part. See, similarly looking like the one we have did when we are giving the capital R in the terminal. So same thing is coming here, right? So from here also you can run the program, and the right hand side corner is there, right? So this portion we call it as the environment or environment area. So here we can able to see what are all the variables we have created and what is the value assigned for those variables. Okay, that things we can see here. We can also see the history. So what are all the comments we have used? Okay, those things we can see here. And by pressing this particular that brush symbol, we can delete all the variables. Okay, see clear object from the workspace is there. Okay, like that we can delete. And in the bottom right side bottom corner, we can see the file directories. So whatever the files present in that particular directory. Okay, in case if you are doing some visualization plotting kind of things means, so here it will show the output. Okay, and then third menu is packages. If you are planning to add any packages means, from here only you will be able to get those packages. So simply by selecting which package you want to install, and if you are giving the install means, it will get installed. Okay, so I didn't install. See, I just clicked one option and then I didn't even install, but automatically what is happening in the console part, it is writing the command for those operation. I deselected, that's why it is detach unload it is coming. Once if I give install means, automatically it will write the code for me. Okay, and the help section. So why this help section is, it is like documentation part. Okay, whenever you are having some doubt about particular function or anything means, from here you can search and clear all your doubts. Okay, or from directly also, if I give like question mark and then I don't know, like ls something, if I'm giving means, here it is showing like ls base, so list objects, so what are all the object present, how to use it. Okay, usage of those particular function, everything you can able to see from here. This help command will be really useful for you. So whenever you are using some new function means, you can learn the syntax of it. Okay, how to use it, what argument you have to pass, everything you can note it from here. Okay, name means what it means, portion everything you can get it from here. Okay, to extend it to full screen, okay, I want this particular script area is to be in my full screen means, shortcut is control shift 1. Okay, if I press control shift to 1 means, my entire script page will be it will come in the full page. Okay, whenever I execute this code means, automatically the console page will be coming. For example, again if I'm running this particular line, okay, see, output is coming, my script page is you know closed, and then this one is opened. So from here you can see the output, or directly also you can type. Okay, to come back to the normal view, again you have to press the same key, like control shift 1 if I am pressing means, will come back to the normal mode. So 1 2 3 4 like that will be there. Okay, whichever screen you want to be in full screen means, you just have to change the number and automatically it will change. One for script, two for console, like that they have created. That and all you can do experimentation.